checked in inside of LAX airport. And I'm going to my gate. My gate is over here, number 157. You know, traveling is not hard at all. Like, so far, this is not hard at all. I think I'm gonna start doing this a lot. This is fun. So, this is cool. Last time I've been in this airport, I was going to Mexico, and that was probably like 15 years ago. And it's just so much more futuristic in this airport now. Like this. What is that? It's a big old screen. Hello everybody, ItalyVii here. And yeah, so I am on this fun little treadmill rail thing. I love it. And so I'm just gonna stand here and leisurely wait until I get to the end of this. And let people pass. And other than that, you know, I'm just gonna chill and wait until my airplane takes off. And wow, those airplanes are humongous. Whew, I'm kind of scared, but I'm excited too. I thought I was gonna be sad, like saying bye to my mom, but I am sad, but I'm excited now too. So yeah, this is my first time flying by myself, and it's gonna be a good time. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, like how I said. All right, peace out. Officially landed in Hanguk, my new home for the next 2 years. Look at, I'm so excited to visit all those places. Yes, the video quality is a little bit lower because I'm using my older phone, but it's still good.